And then so starter is loaded fries. So drinks is iced tea.
Bakit yun ang next level ng seafood?
Parang super juicy yung chicken barbecue eh. Tapos yung fries, mahilig po ako sa french fries. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Sir Chris, gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung next level all day trio na napili ko din sa Dennis.
Well, first off, yung price very attractive talaga for 375 pesos. So I think it's a great idea. For the appetizer, I chose the salad.
Yeah, that's one.
Delicious, absolutely delicious. And may sakit ang mga Pinoy na overly sauce, ang overly dressing. Perfect dressing lang. Hindi siya nalulunod. Parang ex ko na nakakalunod. Yung chicken barbecue, this was delicious. I tasted pa lang, tinaste ko pa lang yung meat. Perfectly cooked, masarap siya. And then for the drink, I chose yung iced tea. Pero mention ko lang masarap ang coffee ni Dennis, yung free coffee nila. Very American for me. Yun lang. Thank you. You should try it out.
Ma'am, ano po yung next level ng Dennis na kakaabangan ng Pilipino?
Okay, so actually, meron na kami ang all-day trio starting from 375 namin. It started last January this year, and then it will end of this month of April because we will take it up a notch or ila-level up namin yung value meal natin starting May 1. And we will now call it next level all-day trio starting from 375 because this time around it will have big serving, better combos, and best value. So kung mapapansin nyo yung mga current or yung mga next level dishes natin, may mga big serving sila. And then for better combos, we actually added new and fresh dishes na fresh off the menu ni Dennis. So first time namin silang ilalabas like the barbecue chicken, also the country style fried chicken as well. So yan yung mga better combos this time. And of course, for the best value, since it will start from 375, so sobrang sulit na siya. But also, you have to take note as well na meron lang konting add-on price on top of the premium items. So, ganun yung next level all-day trio natin this time around.